Hey there, I'm reviewing the Tahari Women's Fitted Puffer Coat, a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a combination of style, comfort, and warmth. The fitted design offers a flattering silhouette, while the oversized hood adds a chic touch and provides extra protection against the cold. The coat is well insulated, making it perfect for chilly winter days. The quality of the material feels durable yet lightweight, ensuring you stay cozy without feeling weighed down. The pockets are roomy and well placed, adding convenience and functionality. Whether you are running errands or heading out for a winter stroll, this coat is versatile and stylish enough for any occasion. Highly recommend it for those who want to stay warm and fashionable during the colder months.